Bonjour everyone! Welcome back to Smart Learning Foreign Language. If you're a beginner learning French, this lesson is for you. Today, we'll explore the super useful verb faire and how to use it in weather expressions for different seasons in France. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell button so you never miss our easy-to-follow French lessons. Also, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. The verb faire means to do or to make in French. But did you know it's also commonly used to describe the weather? Instead of saying it is hot in French, we often say it makes hot or il fait chaud. Let's look at how to use faire with different weather conditions. Spring, le printemps. Il fait doux. It's mild. Il fait beau. It's nice weather. Spring, le printemps. Il fait doux. It's mild. Il fait beau. It's nice weather. Summer, l'été. Il fait chaud. It's hot. Il fait très beau aujourd'hui. The weather is very nice today. Automne, l'automne. Il fait frais. It's cool. Il fait du vent. It's windy. Il fait froid. It's cold. Il fait mauvais. The weather is bad. These are simple and essential expressions you can use in daily conversations in French. Now you know how to use faire to talk about the weather. Try practicing these sentences in the comments below. What's the weather like in your country right now? And before you go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy French lessons. Like and share this video with your friends. Check the description below to find the best French books and dictionaries at the lowest prices to improve your learning. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt. See you in the next lesson.